Okay guys, this is one of my very first home repair videos, but you can see this is a Kenmore Coldspot. That's what it looks like. So it started leaking from the inside. I took off the ice maker and then using a 6.5 millimeter took these off. Be careful for that one. There it goes. It's like a ground wire for the electronics. Get this bad boy out. Okay, so my problem is that it was not draining. So all the water would overflow and get in here, which would end up in there. So I bought myself a steamer. This has got the jet nozzle. As you can see, a little bit of water there. So instead of waiting for it to defrost overnight, I just let her have it, and it started draining. It drains down into a little reservoir that's in there. So that's how to fix that problem. Thanks for watching.